Hello everyone, this is Chris Burns from Slash Gear. So they're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Player 4.2. This is the newest version of a Galaxy Player. Samsung has made quite a few different Galaxy Players at this point. Each one of them able to connect to your media and play games, but not connect to mobile data. It's meant to be sort of what's been called so far a media player or an MP3 player, in that you can play music on it, play games, whatever you want to do. You can connect to FM radio or Wi-Fi in your own home, but no mobile data, so it's definitely not a smartphone. Now, what you get with this version is your normal sort of Android apps like music and videos and internet, but then you get Samsung connections like this one here. You can mirror your screen, you get FM radio, you can play FIFA Soccer. Hot Pursuit is like sort of a racing game, and then you got things like this. You got the Google Play Store. For other apps, you got Samsung apps like the app called Samsung Apps that allows you to get Samsung apps straight from them. Chat On is a really cool sort of a texting thing, SMS. You got Social Hub that'll connect to your things like Facebook. All Share allows you to share to different devices that are Samsung and other Bluetooth and stuff like that. Keys Air is similar to that. This is what will connect to your PC. EA Games has a connection straight to all the different kinds of EA games that you're going to be able to get with this device. Ustream also works like that. It has cloud capabilities. And then a couple things that I added on here you'll see in the review is Antutu benchmark as well as Quadrant standard benchmark. This device notably also has Google Plus and Google Plus Messenger right out of the box, even though it is gingerbread. The only other place we've seen these coming right out of the box is with Ice Cream Sandwich. It also has Angry Birds right out of the box, and that's essentially it for apps. Now, as far as hardware, you've got 3 buttons at the bottom here. You've got a menu button, back button, and a home button here that usually only appears on international versions of Samsung devices. And now you can press this to get back home, or you can press this to get to your menu, but if you long press the menu button, you get to go to search, and if you long press the home button, you go to your task manager. Now, if you get to, this is different than your sort of manager you get on Ice Cream Sandwich, and that if you go to, for example, if you go to music, you go straight to it, where in the version of Ice Cream Sandwich isn't necessarily open. Here, these are all still open, so go straight to them. Now, we back up here, go to device, see what version we're running exactly. 2.3.6. As you can see, it is gingerbread. Another cool thing about this device is the fact that you have 2 front-facing speakers, so you have sort of stereo sound, where in past versions you only have 1 speaker on the back. So what you're getting here really is, sound on both sides. Pretty cool. Now, you have a front-facing camera there. You also have a back-facing camera right there. These are not that high-quality cameras. They're just meant to sort of collect things for Facebook or whatever you need it to do. You have a little hole right here, so you can hang a little dongle on there. You can pop the back off there. Inside, you'll see we do have space for a micro SD card, so you can put up to 32 gigabytes there. You have a single battery here. On the left side, you have both your power and your volume right here, so you can just hit it with your thumb if you're right-handed. On the bottom, you have your micro USB and your headphone jack. Now, I would say the bottom, but usually since there's 2 speakers here, usually you're going to be holding this device like this, or that's what they intend anyway. So it is sort of on the side so that your headphones can come out and then go straight to your head from there. On the left side, you have nothing. On the top, you have nothing as well. Now, this device is extremely thin, especially compared to, this is essentially the same size as the Galaxy S2 was, and it's definitely a lot thinner than the larger Galaxy players have been so far. It's also extremely light. It's probably the lightest Samsung device to ever been released, and it'll be in store soon, so check it out.